So, good afternoon. I am Indra Vijay Singh, and I am preparing video on green building. So, first of all, what is a green building? A green building, also known as sustainable building, is a structure that is designed, built, renovated, operated, or reused in an ecological and resource efficient manner. Now, today's keeping in the view of today's scenario, green building is very essential component for our daily life. So, objectives of the green building: protecting occupant health, improving employee productivity, so that with minimum resources we can get maximum output, using energy, water, and other resources more efficiently, reducing overall impact to the environment, optimal environmental and economic performance, satisfying and quality indoor spaces, and try to maximize paperless work. The material used in green building to in the companies to improving the environmental impact of their building by raising energy efficiency, reducing waste, and avoiding the heavy resource impact often associated with construction material. These considerations are of concern, and not just when constructing new buildings but also during retrofits. Many energy retrofits are surface level, but truly deep energy retrofits need to consider the building envelope by correcting problems in the original construction or by taking further steps to lower environmental impact. And in conclusion, we can say a sustainable building material need to be used properly and contextually in every community development. The application of sustainable building material not just minimize transport cost, carbon emission, also in most cases material cost, it also offers employment and skill development opportunities for community members. So green building is very essential component for today's life, so that we can optimize our productivity with minimum cost, maximum output we can get. Thank you.